Food safety is a critical part of maintaining quality and protecting consumers. A well-structured food safety management system, FSMS, helps organizations prevent risks and ensure compliance. In this video, we'll introduce ISO 22000-2018, explore HACCP principles, discuss the importance of documentation and record-keeping, and highlight internal audits for continuous improvement. Stick around to learn how FSMS can enhance food safety. Before we begin, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to help spread valuable insights. 10. The importance of food safety management systems. Food safety is not just about preventing contamination, it is about establishing a culture of safety that permeates every stage of the food production and distribution process. FSMS provides a systematic framework to assess risks, implement preventive measures, and continuously monitor food safety practices. By implementing FSMS, businesses can identify and mitigate potential hazards before they lead to foodborne illnesses. This proactive approach helps reduce food waste, improve production efficiency, and comply with national and international food safety laws. The reputation of food businesses depends on their ability to deliver safe, high-quality products to consumers, and FSMS plays a critical role in ensuring that trust is maintained. 9. Understanding ISO 22000-2018 and its significance. ISO 22000-2018 is a globally recognized standard for food safety management. It outlines requirements for a comprehensive food safety management system that applies to all organizations involved in the food industry. Unlike other food safety standards, ISO 22000 integrates the principles of HACCP with a risk-based approach to managing food safety hazards. The standard focuses on 4 key areas: interactive communication, system management, prerequisite programs, and HACCP principles. Interactive communication ensures that all stakeholders, including suppliers, employees, and regulatory authorities, are aligned in their food safety responsibilities. System management establishes the policies and procedures necessary to maintain food safety. Prerequisite programs cover essential hygiene practices, while HACCP principles provide a structured method for identifying and controlling hazards. Businesses that achieve ISO 22000 certification demonstrate their commitment to food safety and gain a competitive advantage in the marketplace. Compliance with this standard also facilitates international trade, as many countries recognize ISO 22000 as a benchmark for food safety management. 8. Core requirements of ISO 22000-2018. ISO 22000-2018 requires businesses to establish a food safety policy, conduct risk assessments, define critical control points (CCPs), and implement corrective actions. These requirements ensure that food safety risks are identified and managed effectively throughout the supply chain. The standard also emphasizes leadership involvement in food safety management. Business owners and executives must take an active role in promoting a food safety culture, ensuring that all employees understand and follow food safety protocols. Monitoring and verification procedures are another critical component of ISO 22000. Businesses must regularly review their food safety management system to identify areas for improvement. This includes conducting internal audits, analyzing food safety performance, and updating procedures to reflect new risks and regulations. 7. The role of HACCP in food safety management. The hazard analysis and critical control point system is a preventive approach to food safety that identifies and controls potential hazards before they occur. Unlike traditional inspection-based systems, HACCP focuses on preventing contamination at critical points in the food production process. HACCP is widely recognized by food safety authorities worldwide and is a legal requirement for many food businesses. Implementing ensures that food safety risks are systematically analyzed, monitored, and controlled, reducing the likelihood of foodborne illnesses. By adopting HACCP, food businesses can minimize contamination risks, reduce food waste, and improve product quality. HACCP also helps businesses comply with regulatory requirements and enhance consumer confidence in their products. 6. The 7 principles of HACCP implementation. HACCP is based on 7 key principles that guide businesses in maintaining food safety. Conducting a hazard analysis. identifying potential biological, chemical, and physical hazards in the food production process. Determining critical control points (CCPs), identifying specific points in the process where hazards can be prevented or minimized. Establishing critical limits, setting acceptable safety levels for each critical control point. Monitoring procedures, implementing continuous monitoring to ensure critical control points remain within safe limits. Corrective actions, taking immediate action when monitoring shows that a critical control point is out of compliance. Verification procedures, regularly reviewing and validating HACCP procedures to ensure effectiveness. Record keeping and documentation, maintaining detailed records of food safety processes to demonstrate compliance. By following these principles, businesses can effectively manage food safety risks and prevent contamination before food reaches consumers. 5. Documentation and record keeping in FSMS. Proper documentation is a fundamental requirement of FSMS as it provides evidence of compliance with food safety regulations. Detailed records help businesses track food safety performance, identify trends, and implement corrective actions when necessary. Documentation includes food safety policies, hazard analysis reports, training records, supplier evaluations, and inspection reports. Keeping accurate records ensures transparency and accountability in food safety management. Regulatory bodies often require businesses to present documentation during audits and inspections. Without proper documentation, food businesses may struggle to prove compliance with food safety standards, increasing the risk of penalties and legal issues. 4. The importance of internal audits in FSMS. Internal audits are essential for evaluating the effectiveness of an FSMS. These audits help businesses identify weaknesses, assess compliance with food safety standards, and ensure that corrective actions are implemented when needed. Regular internal audits enable businesses to proactively address potential issues before they lead to safety risks. Auditors review food safety procedures, employee adherence to Hygiene protocols, and documentation records to ensure compliance with ISO 22000 and HACCP requirements. Audits also provide valuable insights into areas that require improvement, allowing businesses to refine their food safety management practices continuously. 3. Continuous improvement strategies for food safety management. Food safety management is an ongoing process that requires continuous improvement. Businesses must regularly review and update their food safety policies, risk assessments, and operational procedures. Emerging food safety risks, technological advancements, and regulatory changes necessitate constant adaptation. Continuous improvement strategies include employee training programs, upgrading food processing technologies, and enhancing monitoring techniques. Regular feedback from internal audits, customer complaints, and industry developments helps businesses refine their food safety management practices. 2. Employee training and awareness in FSMS. A strong food safety culture begins with well-trained employees. Food handlers, managers, and quality control teams must receive comprehensive training on food safety principles, hygiene practices, and hazard management. Regular training sessions ensure that employees stay updated on new food safety regulations and best practices. Engaging employees in food safety initiatives fosters a sense of responsibility, reducing the likelihood of contamination and safety breaches. 1. Strengthening food safety through effective management systems. Food safety management systems are critical in preventing contamination, ensuring regulatory compliance, and protecting public health. By adopting ISO 22000-2018, implementing HACCP principles, maintaining accurate documentation, and conducting internal audits, businesses can create a robust food safety framework. Continuous improvement and employee training further enhance food safety practices, ensuring that risks are minimized at every stage of food production. Businesses that prioritize food safety management not only protect consumers, but also gain a competitive advantage in the marketplace. With an effective FSMS in place, food businesses can build trust, meet global safety standards, and contribute to a healthier food supply chain for future generations. A strong food safety management system ensures compliance, improves quality, and enhances consumer trust. Understanding ISO 22000-2018, implementing HACCP, maintaining proper records, and conducting regular audits all contribute to a safer food industry. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and share so more people can benefit from these insights. For more in-depth learning, visit Transform AcademyHub.com. See you in the next one.